Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the domain saleable, confirm transferability, lock status, and who is ownership. Once done, value it using traffic, keywords, and recent comparable sales so you pick the right starting price. Next, prepare proof materials, screenshots, traffic stats, and domain age, and open or verify your eBay seller account with payment info. Make sure your listing photos and a concise title are ready before you create the listing. This speeds the process and prevents delays. Now create the listing. Decide auction versus buy it now. Auction can drive bids, buy it now secures a set price. Use a reserve if you need a minimum. Write a keyword-rich title and a step-by-step description explaining the transfer method and timeframe because clarity reduces disputes. Attach screenshots of traffic and who is, list accepted payment methods, and set shipment as digital transfer. Once live, promote the listing via social channels and monitor questions closely to maintain. When the domain sells, confirm cleared payment before initiating transfer. For high values, use escrow for built-in protection. Then perform the transfer steps you promised. Provide the auth/EPP code or change registrant following registrar procedures, and notify the buyer with tracking or confirmation screenshots. After transfer, mark order complete and request feedback. If anything goes wrong, transfer rejected or auth code fails, pause. Contact your registrar and the buyer, document every step, and escalate to eBay or escrow support if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.